Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda Odyssey door locks. First, check your vehicle's fuse box for any blown fuses, as this is a common and easy fix. Next, visually inspect the wiring leading to the door lock mechanism for any obvious damage or disconnections. Also, ensure the door latch itself isn't physically obstructed. These initial steps can often resolve minor issues quickly and save you time and effort. If fuses and wiring appear fine, the issue might be with the door lock actuator. Listen carefully when you try to lock or unlock the door. A faint click or no sound at all can indicate a problem. You can also use a multimeter to test the actuator's electrical connection. Sometimes, a faulty door lock switch is the culprit, so consider testing that too. Replacing the actuator requires a few basic tools, like screwdrivers and a 10mm socket. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel, being mindful of clips and wiring. Disconnect the old actuator and install the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. This step-by-step process is manageable for most DIY enthusiasts. After installing the new actuator, it's crucial to test the lock mechanism thoroughly before reassembling the door. Operate the lock multiple times, both manually and with the remote, to confirm proper function. Once satisfied, carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all screws and clips are in place. Double-check all connections for a lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.